Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Meta AI in Facebook. So as you can see over here, I am in my Facebook app and you need to make sure that you have updated your app to the latest version. So on the top of your page, you will have your search bar. Okay. Now this search bar, as you go into it, it will automatically turn into the Ask Meta AI Anything. Okay, so what you can do here is you can literally ask Meta AI about anything. So gone are the days of wanting to change settings in your Facebook app. So now you can just go ahead and ask AI over here. So you can go ahead and say, how do I change my privacy settings for my Facebook profile? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and hit send, and basically what's going to happen is it's going to answer you like any other chat bot, but this is now also optimized for Facebook. So as you can see over here, it has now given me all of the instructions that I need to change my privacy settings in Facebook. So one of the other things that you can go ahead and do is, if there is a post with the Meta AI icon just beneath it, you will actually be able to inquire about the actual post. So just for example, you can see over here the question on this post actually was, the longer you stare at this image, it'll actually start to change color. So when I tapped on the Meta AI icon, it asked the automatic question, how do I change the color of the fruit? And as you can see, it has now given me an answer. Of course, there was a bit of a confusion, so it was trying to understand the post itself. Now you can go ahead and scroll through your feed and you'll actually be able to find this icon underneath some of the posts. Now, if this was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.